Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to this channel and another review video. We are going to review this product called Cryptozi, and this is a product from Warrior Plus again, and we'll keep this review short because there's not much to talk about for this product. So we'll quickly save your money and move on. So let's take a look at the heading at the top. It says affiliate commissions from the top crypto networks. Now, do you know any single crypto network? Ask yourself right now this question, that how many crypto networks do you know by yourself from where you can get your affiliate links, right? Technically, I don't know any networks, possibly, because there's binary options and there's some other networks. So first of all, if this is not your field, if you're not into cryptocurrencies, if you don't know how to buy coins, bitcoins, Ethereum, etc., what are you gonna do with the software? So this software is actually claiming that it's going to make 100% done for you cryptocurrency affiliate sites. So first part says that it is going to generate some random websites on cryptocurrency topic, and there you can put in your affiliate links by affiliating with some other cryptocurrency networks. Okay, so you'll have to find those cryptocurrency networks. These people might tell you where to go and sign up, and then you have to get your links from there and then put those links on these websites, which they will make for you, which are done for you, and then you can expect some sales. This is the concept, but this is all in dreams, okay? Because concept is fine, you get your affiliate links from your network and then you place those links on a cryptocurrency website, and you're supposed to get sales when people visit those websites. But the only problem is that how will you get that traffic, okay? Either you need to run Google ads, or you run Facebook ads, or you run some kind of Bing ads or some other advertising, and that means cost. So you have to invest so much cost to bring traffic to your pages, because the websites they are going to build, they're not going to rank in Google organically, because they are only building websites. They cannot do SEO for you. No one can do SEO for you for free. So these kind of websites are done for you in a way that, yes, they give you some website pages, you have some attractive website pages, but that doesn't mean that those websites are going to rank in Google, okay? There are billions of websites on the internet, but only 10 website ranks on Google on the first page. Are you getting the point? So no matter how many beautiful websites you have, how many attractive websites you have, that website has to compete with billions of other websites, okay? So let's say if I go into Google here, and let's say we type in something, maybe Bitcoin news, okay, and press enter. So here you can see at the top it shows about these many results. I can't even count, 93 and then 10 and then these many zeros. So imagine you have to compete with these many websites. So these are the number of websites in Google, and only 10 can appear on the first page, okay? So understand that your website, which you will generate using this software, is never going to rank in Google, because you have to have strong authority. So let's say we take this first website and open this in a new tab, and let's copy the URL. So it's news.bitcoin.com, and we copy the URL and go to hrefs.com/backlink checker to check its domain authority, and we'll put it here and we'll click on check backlinks. No robot. Okay, it's loading. Will take time. Okay, so you see here the number one website which is ranking here, it's 86 domain rating. So the domain rating of news.bitcoin.com is 86. And let's check the website rating of their product, okay? Because the websites which they will give you, those cryptocurrency websites, they will be hosted on this getcryptozi.com. So for example, if you choose a domain name like news.getcryptozi.com, and let's check their domain rating. Their domain rating is 0.1, okay? and the news.bitcoin.com rating is 86. So just imagine you will stand nowhere in the competition, no matter how beautiful website you have, no matter how much content you have on that website. It is not going to rank in Google. That means you are not going to get any traffic, and that means you will make no sales. So again, this product is only good as long you are thinking to build some websites. But again, bringing traffic to those websites, it's your job, it's on you. You will not get traffic just by using this software because it has got no domain rating. Okay. And also ask this question to yourself, because let's say if 100 people are going to buy this software, so this software is going to do the same work for everybody else. So if it makes a website for you, so it's going to make similar or the same website for other 99 people. So 100 of those people have the same website. Now, how can the duplicate websites rank in Google, right? So let's say I buy this software, you buy this software, so we both have the same website. Now, we both have the same website, same content, same news, same articles. How is it going to work? It's not going to work because everybody's buying the software and everybody's having the same website. So it is all just playing with your mind. Don't get brainwashed by these software. They'll not make you any money. Okay, I'll show you how this website looks like. So let's say the website which you will make from this software will look like this. You can see on your screen right now. So this is that cryptocurrency website. It will look like this. It will look fancy, it will look attractive and everything. But trust me, my friends, the traffic doesn't come, depending on how beautiful is your website. The traffic comes depending on how old is your website, how unique is the content, how what is the domain authority of your website. So it takes guts, time, and hardcore SEO knowledge and SEO skills. If you know nothing about SEO, if you don't have time, if you have no money, you cannot get traffic to your website, because either you do SEO and wait for 6 months to get traffic, and even for that you need to hire somebody or have hardcore knowledge about SEO, or else you go about running paid ads, like running Google ads, running Facebook ads. They will surely ban your account. So Google ads will not take any time to suspend your account. Facebook ads will not think about before suspending your account. So they will suspend you like in minutes, in seconds. So there's no way you're gonna get any traffic, and if you don't have any traffic, you're not gonna make any money. Okay, so this is the backbone of any marketing, online marketing. You need to know how to get traffic. Without traffic, no product is going to work for you, whether it is cryptocurrency, whether it is make money online websites, whether it's anything. You want to bring traffic to your website, that's the only way you're going to make some sales. Okay, so we'll cut this video short now. We'll end this video, and there's no need to go through the website. There's not much here to talk about. It's all simple crap, buy this, buy that, and make money, and all the whole, you know what I'm trying to say. So don't waste time on this, and just don't buy this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, and we'll come back to you with another review video shortly. Thank you.